starting out first as police chief, later on as village manager, and I've seen the power of the collaboration of the various community groups working together, and have found that it's much easier to solve problems with representatives in many areas of the community compared to try to solve it from a police perspective or from just a local government perspective.
Well, as far as back as 1970, people in this community have been devoted to saving living space for living things and comprehensive planning. We have all kinds of clean air and clean water initiatives, and this is because of the vision of the founders of MACOG and Citizens for Conservation as far back as 1970. It was realized that we have a unique environment here, and we need to save it. As Teddy Roosevelt said, if we don't save that, we don't save anything. So it's part of the culture of our community, which is very important.
The Barrington community has continued to rally around removing the stigma for accessing care in mental health, as well as promoting positive mental health, encouraging positive mental health. We work with students in the high school who are supporting each other in healthy behaviors, and we are prepared to address crises in the future should such a tragedy occur again. We are working together as a community coalition to remove the stigma of mental health care and provide support to those who need to seek resources. We're also developing a program to help youth coaches, scout leaders, youth ministers to identify youth who may be in crisis and refer them on to services.
People in our community know how to get help, know where to come to get help, and are not afraid to ask for help. Much of this is due to all of the various agencies, churches, and community leaders who have worked steadfastly to make the services known to the residents and to be sensitive to the needs of the residents to provide what they identify as their need.